Where's the water in?
The cup.
In a cup. I have water in a
Blue.
cup. You see, so it's just water. So we're going to do a science experiment. Who knows what science means?
To taste
Science. Science. Science is like when we want to figure out something, so we have to do an experiment.
Experimental.
Yes, that's what it means, a science experiment, okay? It can be anything, anything.
And
there's
blue.
scientists, those are the people that come up with like shots. You know when you go to the doctor and you get shots? They make the shots so you won't get sick. They're the ones that make the shots so you won't get sick. Or the scientists that make medicine too. Medicine. So this is called a science experiment. Can we say science? Experiment. So we are going to pretend the water is air. Well, that's what air is. What's air?
No.
What is air? There we go. That's air. That's air. Can we touch air?
No.
Can we feel air?
No.
We can feel the air. You see like when the air conditioner is blowing, can you feel it? Yeah, you can feel air. Can you touch it? No, you see right now we're in a room and there's air all over. Can you touch it? We can feel it. We can feel it. So we are going to pretend this water is air. Okay? And now I also have, what is this?
Whipped cream.
It's called shaving cream. Shaving cream.
For
And then this is food coloring.
food
Food
coloring.
coloring. Yeah, you can put it in anything. Say you want to make a cake, and you can put this in your mix of cake, and you'll have a blue cake. This can go in almost anything. So we are going to do. Ashley, set up, Ashley. We're going to do a science experiment of how it rains. Where does rain come from? Who knows where rain comes from?
Because in the umbrellas. Of the sky.
From the sky. That's right. So what is this again? We're going to pretend the water is what? Air. We're going to pretend the water is air. So now the shaving cream is going to be the clouds. Okay, so I'm going to take the shaving cream and put it on top of the water. So we have the clouds, right? The clouds and the air. So now the food coloring is going to be the rain. To see how what happens when the clouds get full of water, and then the water comes from where?
Sky.
The sky, and it comes down. So I'm going to put 1 drop of food coloring. I'm gonna get closer to my friends, and you're going to see what happens if you see anything in the cup. 1. See that? What happened?
It's turning blue.
It's turning blue, so that means it's raining.
Oh.
You see, that's what happens when the clouds get full of water. It starts raining.
I look at that.
It is. You want to try another one?
Yeah.
Let's see, one more.
Oh.
You see it?
Yeah. It's a Mickey.
So this is what happens when it rains. The clouds get really full of water, and then it starts raining. Yeah, you see? Who remembers what the shaving cream is? Friends, the shaving cream is the what? The
Cloud.
clouds.